Fold on top. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Hi there, I'm John, and welcome to 9 to 12. Every year during the Dragon Boat Festival, bachang appears everywhere. At hawker centers, supermarkets, provision shops, everywhere. But very few people know how to make it. So today, I'm gonna try to make one from scratch and learn from a very experienced bachang maker.
Huh?
Okay, thank you. Okay, Fazlin, Iman.
Yes.
How do we do this? Where do we start?
First of all, Iman will show you how to wrap.
Perfect.
First, you make a cone. We need 2 leaves to wrap them.
This one,
Make a corner.
like this?
Yes.
It's going over here. Oh,
Okay, better.
Did you know bachang has its origins from ancient China from over 2,000 years ago? Legend has it that villagers threw rice dumplings into a river to distract fish from eating the body of a beloved poet who had drowned himself there. Kinda dark. 1, 2. This is beef?
Yes.
Good.
So more beef.
This is a halal recipe?
Yes.
Very cool.
Yeah.
And how did you decide to do a halal bachang business?
That time I was pregnant, I was craving for bachang. Not easy to get a halal one. So what we do is, we really try the YouTube.
You learned the recipe from
Yes,
YouTube?
from YouTube.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. That's how we started. Just cover it up.
Then fold. Fold on top. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Okay, so. And there we have it. Oh no, what happened to yours, Iman? Did you know that there are many different varieties of bachang? What we're making today is the Hokkien version with savory rice flavored with soy sauce and shallots. There's also the Nonya version, which can be made sweet with glutinous rice and colored blue with butterfly pea flowers. Very heavy duty.
Yes, correct. You will cook for around 1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour.
Okay, good. 1 hour staring contest. Ready, set, go.
Don't blink.
Don't blink. She's so good. She's so good. A moment of truth. And look, it held together. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, what now?
Let's enjoy them.
Let's
go.
After you.
Let's go.
Every fold, every knot, every layer of filling carries with it over 2,000 years of tradition. That's a lot of history to hold in the palm of your hand. Shall we enjoy?
Better not. It doesn't look like.
Oh, it's too pretty, right?
Yes,
yeah,
yeah.
it's too nice to open. Wanna try some of yours, maybe, Iman? The beef one we made
That's
earlier.
the one with beef.
Yeah. Ooh, yum.
But careful, it's too hot.
Yeah, it's very hot. It's okay. That's so good. That's so good. 2,000 years of history folded into bamboo leaves and tied by hand. So here's my question. Do you know any food that carries a story lasting centuries? Watch out for the next episode. Does anyone have scissors?